Let's make some tasty, juicy soy sauce chicken leg quarters. I'm going to be using an air fryer today, but you're welcome to use an oven to bake them. I found these chicken legs really cheap, $2.28 for 3 large chicken leg quarters.
Yeah, after I marinate. So last night we marinated the chicken with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and all that yummy stuff. It's been marinating for 24 hours. We've placed it into the air fryer. So let's see how this soy sauce chicken air fryer looks like. Are you ready? What do you think? Is it gorgeous? Just listen to that sizzle. Now you notice all the oil is drained to the bottom of the pan. Super healthy, not greasy. So much better than baking where it sits in the oil, and much better than deep frying. Let's just kind of poke the skin a little bit to see if we have a crunch. Not bad, you can hear it. Can you hear it? Okay, so let's pick this up and take a look at the soy sauce air fryer chicken. Beautiful.